Yeah. My goal is yeah. Oh. Yeah. 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 Arrma Mojave, baby. Y'all know I had to give it to y'all. Yeah.
Show after show, yeah, we do this every week. If you hating, then you broke, boy, take a seat. And that ain't heat that you be dropping, that be week.
What's up, guys? Welcome to Two Boys RC. We got my brother Daniel out here. We got the Outcast, baby. Yes, sir. Outcast. Yes, sir. Backflip, shout it. There we go. First time. Oh, shoot. That's tight. That's a nice ramp, bro. Uh-oh. Come on. Heck yeah. Ah, come on, land on feet. Thank you. Yes, sir.
Bullshit, dude.
It's a bad bitch right there, bro.
I be
What kind of it is?
M2C.
Oh,
Brand new, dude. Just came out.
Damn,
Oh yeah.
that's nice, bro.
Yep.
Badass Creighton.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, sir. Hey, you can't beat that. You
I don't know,
cannot
dude.
beat that.
But it's hurting, dude.
It don't matter.
It don't,
It don't
I
matter,
keep
bro.
on
He
like
going. All right, guys, we got that Arrma Mojave. We finna get back here and see what it can do. Arrma make some great product, bro. This got hills and everything back here. Uh-oh, no. Not with the Mojave. Not my new baby. Yeah. Oh. I'm stuck now, I think. Oh no, Mojave on play. Yeah. Come down and jump that bitch. Can't have all these sticks. It's a tight little spot, bro. Time. Yeah. Yeah, man. Alright, so I don't know that way. I'm gonna go back highway. That's part that I want to show you. I had a couple people, but they be playing around. Oh yeah, this thing. Go. Yeah. Yeah, it goes like right there by the highway. I say it's just a roundabout. It ain't nothing serious.
It's a little side hustle, bro.
Right. Yeah, that's what I got to do. The Mojave run good and the Outcast, bro. This is their playground, I'm telling you. Whoa! Come on, Mojave. Yeah. All right. It was just a cool little spot that I had seen. All right. And then you could go back around that way to get back. Yeah, no doubt. Hell yeah. 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 my brother Daniel out here. Hey, that's a cool little racetrack. Oh shit. Yeah. Damn, that shit. I can imagine how. Did you change the pinion on yours, Dang?
Yeah, I got 16.
That's why you was running so fast. Yeah. Oh shit. You my language. Come on, come on. Oh, same one. I want to get something together, bro. My goal is to build somewhere we all can go. That's what I.
Yeah, big old bashing park.
Yeah.
Like, what do they do out there?
All right, guys, we're finna get up out of here. My brother car ran hot. Yeah. Good to just chill, man. Yeah. Yeah, this avenue, this shit right here. Baja Racing. Oh no. Oh my God. Don't want it to get too muddy. I got one. Oh, sorry. I hit you. RC playground right here. Oh, I love the suspension on it. Yeah, that was tight. Like that. That was tight. Yeah. I love it, bro. Arrma Mojave playground. Let's go. That's the good thing about not having a pinion change. You get to play with this thing, man, for real. Look at that. Ah, got mud all up in there. Yeah. Yeah, he all muddy. Good set, good set. Uh-oh, I almost hit you, bro. My bad. Get lined up with that thing. Oh, I was gonna try to backflip. Yeah. Let's go, baby. Yeah. easy. I ain't like my brother. He know how to do them jumps like that. I'm new to it, but I'm gonna get used to it, man. Yeah, sir. We got the Arrma crate, baby. Yeah. Arrma crate time, baby. Oh, crate time. Crate time. Yes, sir. Yeah. Oh, that was epic, bro. That was epic, man. Yeah. Oh, yeah. Oh, epic, yeah. We got wrist super fast shot right here. Let's go, baby. Oh, come on, Mojave. Let's go, baby. Arm back on your feet. Let's go. Oh, yeah. Let's go, baby. That's how you do it. That's how you do it, baby. Back to back, baby. Back to back, baby. Back to back, baby. We gotta go back to back with it, shawty. Going out to my brother. Yeah. Uh-oh, I missed it. I missed it. Creighton shouted, Creighton shouted. It's the Arrma bass, baby. Yeah. Yeah. Arrma bass. Let's go, Arrma bass. Oh. Yeah. 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 Arrma Mojave, baby. Y'all know I had to give it to y'all. Yeah. Oh shit. Oh damn. Yeah, that damn 800 kV with them gears. Yeah. Yeah. Double backflip, shout it. Whoa, I can hear something wrong with it, but. Oh, that was tight. Yeah. Yeah. That was tight.